Yes.
For delivery of judgment, item 19, WPC 7889 of 2017 of the supplementary list.
Writ petition is dismissed. Yes.
13, my lord, is complied, my lord, already PPO is issued, my lord. My friend is appearing, my lord. It may be closed, my lord.
Item number 13,
13.
Yes, my lord.
regarding family pension.
Complied.
Yes, my lord.
Already a change on my lord.
Sanctioned by the AG, my lord.
13. 1-3.
One
Yes.
thing.
Okay. Mr. K.R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel. No, cancel that. You write Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned.
Accountant, AG, my lord, accountant general.
I know. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned Accountant General Assam. Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General Assam submits that the pension
Already sanctioned.
PPO is already set.
of the petitioner has been sanctioned. And therefore, the petitioner has been given the relief. To stop. Mr. K.R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, agrees to the submission.
13.
Stop. What is the PPO number? Okay,
My lord,
stop. The PPO issued by the Accountant General Assam,
FPPO, my lord.
FPPO, dated 10/11/2025 is also produced. In view of above, writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord.
This bill.
Copy of the PPO, FPPO dated 10/11/2025 produced by the Learned Standing Counsel, AG Assam, is retained in record and marked as an expired notification.
My lord.
I beg to mention, Lordship, item number
Yes, item number
11, Lordship.
Huh?
11, Lordship.
11.
11.
What is 11? Say 11.
11,
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, some typographical mistake occurred, Lordship.
Hmm.
Slight typographical mistake,
So?
Lordship. I may be allowed to correct, Lordship, on the body of the petition, Lordship.
Mhm. Doesn't work like that. You have to file an application. Earlier we used to say correct, give signature. Now it's not possible. You have to make an application
Lordship.
and replace it after the application is allowed. So you file application.
Lordship.
You file application
Lordship.
for correction. Mr. C. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that. You, Mr. Bhattacharya,
Lordship.
submits that there's some error in the writ petition and for which he may be granted a week's time to file appropriate application for rectification. Prayer is allowed. Okay, please again after a week.
My lord, item number 26, my lord. Supplementary list.
26, yes.
My lord, the inspection was sought from the respondent of 4, my lord. Since I am suffering from some illness, my lord, could not get the instruction. 10 days time may be allowed.
You're for respond number 4.
Yes,
Who is respond number 4?
the principal
Principal.
of the college. Well, in fact, my lord, principal has no rule, my lord, either granting or rejecting the pension. It is the government, my lord, they can say,
No, but the instruction was sought for, get the instruction.
well, that is not this till date, my lord.
Ah,
Sometime,
otherwise principal will have to come.
my lord. 10 days time may be allowed, my lord, since I could not take steps, my lord, due to my illness.
Mr. PJ Saikia, learned counsel for respondent number 4, prays for and is given for the 10 days time. The instructions from the respondent number 4 in terms of the last court's order. List again on so and so.
All right.
Yes,
Please, your lordship, regarding the item number 7, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition.
why?
My lord, the petitioner got relief.
Your good name?
F.A. Hassan. I think so.
Mr. F.A. Hassan, learned counsel for the writ petitioner submits that the writ petitioner has got the relief and therefore he would like to withdraw the writ petition. In view of above, writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 7. Okay.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
Item 1, lordship, is given is that he has filed an appeal against an order for removal of from his compulsory retirement, lordship. That appeal was pending before the secretary. In this regard, and hearing was conducted on 19/11/2025.
Okay.
So now the matter is under pending before the secretary for an appropriate order will be passed, lordship, within a short period of time. So lordship may kindly either dispose it of or give me some time, lordship.
It's pending before the secretary.
Yes, lordship. The
Education.
appeal is pending before the secretary.
Hearing has already been taken place.
On 19/11, that hearing took place, lordship.
Okay.
Now the department takes some time to come to a conclusion,
How
lordship.
much time?
At least 2 weeks time.
Mr. SMT Chisti, learned counsel appearing for the
Second edition.
Secondary Education Department submits that pursuant to the appeal filed by the petitioner, hearing took place on 19/11/2025 and therefore prays for 2 weeks' time to receive up-to-date instructions as regards the outcome of the appeal. Considering the said prayer, let the matter be listed again on so and so. 10-12.
10-12. Obliged.
And one more line, Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel appears for the petitioner.
Obliged.
Okay. Yes.
Item 2,
One of the last token instruction was.
In respect to item 2, lordship may post it on Friday or next Monday, lordship. For instructions,
You want instructions?
lordship,
Monday?
Monday. Lordship may indicate our name in the cost list, lordship. I have missed the file today also, lordship.
Okay.
SC Dibrugad University, my lord may indicate.
Mr. K. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing for the Dibrugad University, prays for a week's time to obtain instructions in the matter. In view of above, list again on Monday, 1/12, showing the SC Dibrugad University in the cost list.
Obliged, lordship.
Much obliged.
item 3,
May please, your lordship.
Petitioner is Mr. R. Islam, is it? One more line, Mr. R. Islam appears for the petitioner.
My lord, earlier occasion, my lord. My friend was directed to get the instruction.
Instructions.
My lord, kindly notice may be issued, my lord, in this case, my lord.
No,
What
It's
instruction?
just salary matter,
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, has already got, my lord, a retirement from his service, my lord.
So
my lord,
without fishing
my
shall
lord,
be over.
Otherwise, my lord, if he notices it, then my lord, it will take 2 or 3 words, my lord. My lord, petitioner has been retired from his service, my lord. My lord, the petitioner having no lordship, pensionary benefit lordship.
What is your prayer?
My lord, the area, pension.
Area-
Area salary lordship.
Area salary
Yes,
Yes, my
lordship, lordship, last lordship.
for any specific period,
Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
1/1/13 to 21/4/15.
Yes, lordship, yes, lordship. Lordship, for a moment, lordship, kindly see page 44, lordship, annexure 7, lordship. This is the communication made by the lordship, block elementary education officer to the
Page-
lordship, district elementary education
Page
officer.
44. 44.
Page 44, lordship, annexure
44.
7, lordship.
Yes. What does it say? List of monthly salary proposal
Yes, lordship,
with relevant documents
yes, lordship.
in respect of the petitioner. When did you retire?
Lordship, he was a retired from in the year 23, Lordship.
District elementary education. From district, you'll go to director.
Yes, Lordship.
Has it gone? Any information?
Lordship, yes, sir, Lordship. Lordship, page 49 to Lordship, annexure 9, Lordship.
Page 49,
Yes, Lordship, annexure 9.
Commissioner.
Lordship, since the communication has been met, Lordship, from one table to or one authority to another authority, Lordship, till today, Lordship, the petitioner has not been given his arrears salary. In spite of a Lordship, petitioner has got retired from his service, Lordship.
No, this page 49.
Yes, Lordship.
It says first salary. What do you mean first salary?
This is Lordship in pursuant to the letter dated 14/5/2019. Annexure 7 is 44, Lordship.
But where is the reference? Letter dated 14/5/2019.
Subject matter, Lordship, page 44, Lordship, subject, Lordship. Regarding resubmission of first monthly salary proposal in respect of a so and so, so and so.
No, but where is the reference? Regarding release of first salary. What do you mean by first salary?
First element, Lordship, that is from 1/1/2013. And
But-
the Lordship, initial letter is a page, Lordship.
No, how do you connect first salary as
Yes,
1/1/2013?
yes,
I fail to understand.
Lordship, kindly see page 24, annexure 4. This is the first letter from the block elementary education officer to the district elementary education officer.
Now this says release of monthly salary,
Yes, Lordship.
but it does not speak of the period. Which
Then
month?
Lordship- Then Lordship, kindly see page 26, annexure 5, Lordship.
Sir, you're taking me everywhere. I don't know. You don't have any, what is the thing is, page
Madam-
44, block elementary education officer has written to the district and the amount is quantified, isn't it?
Lordship,
5,16,226. This is what you are claiming,
Lordship,
correct?
Lordship.
So my question was, has this been forwarded to the director? And for that, you have shown me page 49.
Lordship,
49 does not speak about any amount.
prior to that, Lordship, prior to 49, Lordship, kindly see page 46, annexure 8.
Release of first salary again.
This is the document furnished by the district elementary education officer to the director, Lordship.
What is the amount?
Lordship, here is a Lordship, amount is not indicated because
Then-
my Lord, amount should be indicated from the block elementary education officer.
Block has already indicated.
And
Block elementary officer has already indicated.
yes, Lordship,
And he has written to the district
Yes.
elementary education. Now, district elementary education has written to the director.
yes.
Is he not required to indicate the amount? How director will know how much amount?
Lordship, kindly see page,
Ms. Bukan, what is your instruction?
Lordship, page 5.
Certain instruction
You take some more time.
26, Lordship,
that in this case, man.
page 26, annexure 5.
We're issuing notice. Heart,
Yes.
Mr.
Without issuing.
S. Ali.
difficult for us to
Learned
receive-
counsel for the petitioner,
Right.
who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has claimed for release of his arrears salary for the period with effect from 1/1/2013 to 21/4/2015, which amounts to rupees 516,226. Stop. Learned counsel submits that the block elementary education officer, Mandia Education Block, on 14/5/2019 had submitted a detailed statement with regard to the area salary of the petitioner to the District Elementary Education Officer, Barpeta. Stop. Thereafter, this District Elementary Education Officer, Barpeta, had written to the Director of Elementary Education on 17/5/2019. But despite the same, no. But from the cancel again. Director of Elementary Education. And the director, on his part, had written to the Commissioner and Secretary, Government of Assam, Education Elementary Department on 14/6/2019. However, despite all the communications, no salary has been released to the petition till date, and therefore the petition is before this court. Stop. When the matter was taken up on 10/11/2025, Ms. N. Pukan, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, was asked to obtain instructions in this regard. Stop. Today, she submits that she has not received any instructions yet. Stop. Next para. In view of above, let notice of motion be issued, returnable by 3 weeks. List again on so and so. Ms. N. Pukan, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education, accept notice on behalf of all.
Respondent, no, my lord, 1, 3, 4, and 6, my lord.
Respondent numbers 1, 3, 4, and 6.
Yes, my lord.
Ms. R. M. Barua, SC Finance, for respondent numbers 2 and 5. Extra copies within 3 days.
Obliged.
One more line. Pendency shall not be a bar for the respondents to mitigate the grievance of the petitioner. Yes.
Matter relate to not extending the benefit of regular pay scale to the non-teaching staff of provincial secondary school, Your Lordship. It has been fully covered by division bench judgment and except 5, Your Lordship. May I read relevant page 121?
Who are the petitioners?
They are the non-teaching staffs of secondary provincial high school.
And what is your claim? Where?
Claim for extending the benefit of regular scale of pay.
Okay.
This
You're
is-
getting fixed pay.
Yes, this is fully covered by division bench judgment. There is an except 5.
What are you?
We are various grade 3, grade 4 staff. of provincial-
Non-teaching.
Non-teaching,
Non-teaching.
Non-teaching.
Grade 4.
non-teaching.
And your schools have been provincialized,
Yes, our service has also been provincialized,
but you're still getting
but
fixed
at
pay.
fixed pay. The relevant page, Your Lordship, page 151, 121, paragraph 15, 16, and 17. May I read, Your Lordship?
Read.
Page 121.
Yes.
Under the Act of 2017, the teacher were provided fixed scale of pay till the acquisition of the qualification to be recognized, upgraded a teacher. However, as recorded herein above, it was held by the coordinate bench that when the service of
interrupt.
those teachers were provincialized and the same were brought under the government fold, a regular scale of pay was to be given to them. Therefore, we are also of the opinion that the same principle of law shall also be applicable in the case of non-teaching staff whose service, though had been provincialized, were brought under the government fold but were paid a fixed scale of pay. However, what should be the scale of pay should be left to the wisdom of the state. Para 16, accordingly, the present batch of writ petitions can allow by holding that the non-teaching staff would be entitled to equal treatment under the law as is extended to other government employees by virtue of their acquired status as employees of the state of Assam, and since the other employer enjoying the benefit of regular scale of pay, they should be paid a just scale of pay. However, what should be the just scale of pay is another the question that is before the honorable court. Now we are inclined to enter into the said aspect. So 17, the direction, Your Lordship. It is fully covered by the division bench judgment.
Okay, so
So my submission is that Lordship can turn to page 23. Prayer number 1, get challenge the section 6(2) of the particular act, Lordship. So it should go before the division bench, Lordship.
There was also challenge. Now it is
Challenge that act,
covered.
Lordship.
Already
Prayer 1,
already taken into consideration. Now I am pressing the para number 3, which is for this para number 1 and 2 has already been taken into consideration by the Honorable Division Bench in the judgment, just annexure 5, your lordship.
Which part?
Annexure 5.
Which part of the judgment?
In that petition also, this were challenged, and this petition, instant petition is exactly the similar petition. In the case of Mohar Ali Sheikh, page 120, it was regarding the teaching staff. Same section were challenged. This have been taken care of in Mohar Ali Sheikh, Supra, by the division bench. So on the same principle, in case of non-teaching staff, the instant judgment has been passed. So there is no question of again interfering with. It is fully covered by the division bench judgment, your lordship.
Mr. Chisti,
Yes, Your Honor.
I think it's covered. Just the other day also we disposed of one case like this.
Yes.
That,
So
Covered,
we'll dispose it of.
that is not my prayer is that what is the prayer, lordship?
Para number 3, I am pressing for para number 3. No.
Whether making such a prayer challenging the particular section. Either they have to lordship correct it or lordship rectify it, lordship. The pleadings.
That has already been taken. Now I am pressing for para number 3.
If that is
Para
taken care
number
of,
three
then
is
this
there.
prayer shouldn't have been there, like FPS 23, lordship.
Can make it several pairs,
Mm.
but I'm pressing for pair number 3. It can be taken care of with single bench.
Order was passed on which date?
Lordship,
The division bench judgment order was passed on which date?
it was passed on 5/8/2025. Annexure 5.
5/8/25.
Yes,
You
One
filed the
seven-
writ petition on 29/10.
yes.
By that time, this was taken care of, not only by this division bench judgment, but by also this Mohar Ali Sheikh.
Yeah.
Correct? So why do you still repeat this prayer again? 6.
In our case, your lordship, that were in teaching staff, your
So if
lordship.
it's covered, why again
What?
you want to challenge this 6-2?
Though at present I am not pressing your lordship,
No,
I am
not-
praying
Not
Yes.
pressing is not the issue.
para number 3, your lordship. That
No.
has already been taken
See,
care of.
you have made prayer 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
So why did you make prayer 1 and 2
1 and
when
2.
you say it is already covered?
That was also been challenged in the earlier writ petition, which was before the division bench, your lordship.
That's what, so the division bench has clarified and passed the orders.
Yes. That's
So
what
after
I
that-
am pressing for.
After that, again, you are saying, I am challenging this order.
That's why, your lordship, I am not pressing for prayer number 1 and 2, prayer number 3, your lordship. Yes, sir.
No, not pressing is a different thing.
Yes.
It should not have been included in the first place.
That
After
is
writing so much, you're saying, I'm not pressing.
exactly your.
So that way, Mr. Chisti is also correct. If you
Yes.
say that it's already
That
covered, then
exactly-
why
that's
do you
correct,
again,
your lordship.
why do you again put these things? Because normally if the rules is challenged,
Yes.
309 rules are challenged, it has to go
Obviously,
before
it
a
was before the division bench.
division bench.
Yes.
So that is the thing.
Exactly whatever it has been drafted.
No, whatever the reason may be, you could not, I mean, like,
I'm
once
sorry,
it's filed, it's filed.
Otherwise, it is covered, your lordship.
We'll dispose it of. Hard, Mr. R. Mazumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. S.M.P. Chisti, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department. Now, by filing this writ petition, the petitioners have wait for a direction to the respondent authorities to grant them regular scale of pay as extended to similar other situated persons. To stop, it is a case of the petitioners that the schools where they are working has already been provincialized. And likewise, their services have been provincialized as well. Stop. However, despite the same, they are getting only fixed pay as on today. To stop. In other words, scale of pay has been denied to them. Stop. The Learned Counsel submits that, in fact, the case of the petitioners is squarely covered by the earlier decision of the division bench of this court in Mohar Ali Sheikh and others versus State of Assam and others.
And
2000, just a minute, 2024, 5 GLT 689. And also the subsequent order passed by the division bench in WPC number 3239 of 2023. Bracket as the lead case. Comma, close bracket, comma, White common order dated 5/8/2025. Stop. Mr. SMG Chisti, Learned Counsel for the department submits that although the petitioners claim that the case is covered, but they have also challenged section 6(2) of the Assam Education, open bracket, provincialization of services of non-teaching staff of venture educational institutions, close bracket, Act 2018. To stop. In reply, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners do not press for the prayer made in paragraph number within bracket small Roman 1 and within bracket small Roman 2 of the prayer made in the writ petition. To stop. Considering the above submissions made, and upon perusal of the materials available on record, and more particularly the order dated 5/8/2025 passed by the division bench of this court in Abdul Motleb and 147 others, right? Versus State of Assam and others, bracket, annexure 5. The writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent authorities concerned to
To
determine
verify. Yes.
the pay scale that may be payable to the petitioners in terms of the direction already given in the report case as expeditious as possible and preferably within a period of eight weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Lordship directed the director to verify, Lordship, their claim in terms of the
In stop in doing so,
Deputy
the
the verification, Lordship, if they are entitled.
stop in doing so, comma, the respondent authorities would be at liberty to make necessary verification as may be required.
Item 5,
Yes.
May I please, as your lordship?
Mhm.
My lord, the petitioner is an aspirant for the purpose of his recruitment as a graduate teacher arts, my lord. And for that, responding to an advertisement, my lord may be pleased to turn to page 19 of my petition, my lord.
Advertisement.
My lord, this is the advertisement, and in this advertisement, my lord, I am interested in the category, my lord, the conditional recruitment, the category number 1 in the table, that is for the post of graduate teacher, the candidate must be arts, commerce graduate or the postgraduate arts, commerce having so and so at with least 50% marks in either graduation or the post graduation or its equivalent, and the Bachelor of Education from the National Council for Teacher Education recognized institution. So, my lord, as per this item number 1, I am eligible and qualified, my lord. And my lord, there is another clause has been inserted. Lordship may be pleased to turn to page 21, my lord.
You are an applicant for graduate teacher.
Graduate teacher arts, my lord.
Okay.
Now, page 21 is relevant, my lord. The criteria for selection of the graduate teacher arts, science, Hindi and Sanskrit, wherein my lord may be pleased to skip clause A, B, Roman 2, my lord, is relevant. Roman 2. Candidate who have passed the earlier high school TET and not been appointed till date shall get weightage at the 5% of the marks required in the TET or maximum 5% for selection as a graduate teacher. So, my lord, those candidates who had earlier passed the TET examination in the high school level, my lord, they will, if they were not appointed on the strength of their TET qualification or TET certificate, they will given the extra 5 marks in this recruitment process, my lord. So, my lord, the present petitioner has also passed out the high school level madrasa TET examination, my lord, in the year 2015. Now, my lord, after that Madrasa TET examination, the petitioner could not be appointed, although, my lord, the other similarly situated persons of the Madrasa TET examination has been inducted in the high schools or, my lord, in the at that relevant period of time, the existing Madrasa institution, but he is a left out candidate, my lord. So therefore, my lord, initially the department, my lord, has extended him the benefit of 5%, 5 marks for his, my lord, this Madrasa TET examination. My lord, may kindly turn to page 30, my lord.
Yes.
Page 30, my lord, in this is the present recruitment mark sheets, my lord. This has the connection with the advertisement, my lord. And herein, my lordship may be pleased to find that he got in the written test 67, and, my lord, these 5 marks, TET qualified but not yet appointed, 5 has been extended to him. As a result, my lord, he got the 72, my lord, aggregate in total. So therefore, my lord, he came within the zone of the cutoff marks for the purpose of the graduate teacher selection and appointment, my lord, which was 69 or something like that, my lord. So when, my lord, the recruitment, this result had been declared, then the verification part had been, my lord, initiated by the government. And in the verification exercise, my lord, may be pleased to find, my lord, this result which has been declared at page 33, my lord. My lord, may kindly turn to page 32 first, my lord. Page 32, verification status, it had been shown, my lord, accepted for further processing for graduate teacher arts post. So, my lord, till this notification has been issued, uploaded, I am eligible and qualified, but suddenly, my lord, at page 33, this impugn communication has been uploaded in my case, my lord. My lord, may be pleased to find that the verification status, rejected verification status for the graduate teacher arts oblique post. Other force the rejection says that candidate has qualified Madrasa TET, hence 5 marks is deducted, after which his total marks is less than cutoff. Candidate has only qualified Madrasa TET, and after 5 marks deduction of the Madrasa TET, his total marks falls below the cutoff. So, my lord, once my respectful submission before my lordship is that, my lord, once I have been given the benefit and advantage of my Madrasa TET qualification, my lord, 5 marks. So before deducting this, my lord, 5 marks, they ought to have, hear me, my lord. That is the principle of natural justice has not been followed, number 1. Number 2, my lord, my grievance is that this Madrasa TET qualified candidate, my lord, my lordship is well aware, my lord, that this Madrasa institution is no more is in existence in the state of Assam, my lord. They have already been converted into from pre-primary to the secondary level schools, my lord. So therefore, those candidate who has been passed the Madrasa TET has been inducted as a graduate teacher science or the graduate teacher arts in some of the institution, but later on in the year 2020, my lord, the government has come up that henceforth we are not going to recruit the only Madrasa TET qualified candidate. But in the instant case, my lord, this is a different issue because they have decided to give only the 5 marks to those Madrasa TET pass qualified candidate who could not be appointed, my lord, at that relevant period of time. So therefore, my lord, this action of the respondent, my lord, is purely arbitrary, unreasonable, and also not in accordance with the provision of the law, my lord. So, my lord, at this moment, my lord, if I can satisfy my lord, my lord, then my lord can issue notice, my lord, and my lord, only 1 post for the present petitioner, my lord, may be kept in, my lord, kept vacant, my lord. If I come out successful in future, my lord, then they will say that there is no post, my lord.
One thing, Mr. Goya,
My lord,
you say that if you get this, if you pass the high school TET,
my lord.
then you are to get 5 marks.
No, my lord. Those candidate, my lord, this what the state has done, the advertisement which has been issued at Annexure 1, my lord, is a TET cum recruitment, my lord. They have combined the TET examination along with the recruitment process, my lord. That's why this has been termed as a TET cum recruitment. Now, prior to this advertisement, my lord, there was earlier only TET examination had been conducted, my lord, and those candidates who passed the TET but could not be appointed, my lord, due to want of vacancy or for other reasons, the government has
That is your case.
Now,
You have passed.
I have passed, my lord.
You have passed the TET.
I have passed the
So-
madrasa TET, my lord.
So you should be getting 5 marks.
5 marks, my lord. That
But
is
here, the impugned order says that 5 marks is deducted.
deducted, my lord.
Why?
Because they have said madrasa TET is not a valid examination. That is their strength, my lord, maybe, because if we go by the reason, my lord, other reasons, my lord may be pleased to find comments for rejection at page 33 says, candidate has only qualified madrasa TET and after 5 marks deduction of madrasa TET, his total marks falls below the cutoff. Now, my lord,
Okay, so with the 5 marks, you're getting 72.
72,
After deduction, you're getting 67.
67, my lord.
So
That's why
the
I-
last candidate is 69.
6, maybe, my lord,
Okay.
maybe, my lord.
Now, why do they say that madrasa TET is not
Eligible and
eligible?
qualified. That is not their stand, my lord. Only merely they have said that madrasa TET, due to madrasa TET, I am not eligible to get 5 marks, that therefore it has been deducted, my
No,
lord.
you come to page 21 again,
My lord.
the advertisement. Criteria for selection.
Yes, my lord. Criteria
says
for selection, it has been,
Candidates who have passed earlier Hindi school TET,
my
high school TET, and not appointed shall get weightage of 5%.
lord,
So for that, you're getting 5 marks.
5 marks, my lord.
Again, now they're deducting. Why?
Now they have deducted, because I am a madrasa TET, they may say, my lord, that this has been
So
given,
madrasa and high school is not equated.
equated, my lord. Exactly equivalent.
According to them,
According to them, it is not
not
equated.
equated. That's why
Right.
deducted.
Yes, but my lord, if it is not equated, they ought to have not add this 5 marks initially, my lord. It is equivalent, my lord. That's why it has come within the purview that they have added 5
So
marks, it has
ultimately, question is whether you should get 5 marks or you should not get 5.
not get 5 marks, my lord.
They
That
say
is
that madrasa TET is not recognized.
recognized, my lord.
So,
My
minus.
lordship can examine the issue.
Mr. Chisti,
Yes,
what?
that is the exact
what do you
issue.
say?
Madrasa is not recognized and moreover, Lordship, the recruitment is already over. On 19th, we have already given all the appointments.
19th
Yes, 19th of this 11, this month, Lordship.
November.
Yes, no.
My lord, my
So
instruction
he
is
came
that.
late, Lordship. This impugned order was issued on 3/11. He should have come earlier, Lordship.
No, my lord, my lord,
And
I fully agree with my learned senior friend submission, my lord, but what has happened, my lord, my instruction is that, my lord, my lord, till date, more than 1,600 in posts is lying vacant, my lord.
That is subject to, Lordship, future.
No, that is not for the future, present, my lord, I cannot claim any benefit from any future post, my lord. I can claim only, my lord, on the strength of this advertisement,
So where is your statement to that effect?
my lord, my lord. This is
And our instruction is that, Lordship, the recruitment process is already over. Whatever
But
post remains
appointment has
vacant, that
been
will be
given.
subject to the future recruitment process. Lordship.
Appointment has been given, my lord.
And this impugned order was issued on 3/11. Lordship, he should have come earlier, Lordship. And the madrasa TET no longer is recognized by this department. So already there's an act, specific act, Lordship.
No, my lord,
We'll get the instruction, Lordship, may can issue notice it. It says.
Mr. Bhuya, short notice.
my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is agreed with the rejection of his candidate
My-
for the post of
Graduate teacher arts, my lord.
graduate teacher arts. After deducting 5 marks. Which was initially given to him towards to him for having qualified madrasa TET. Stop after the deduction, since the petitioner's marks was below the last selected candidate, his candidature was rejected. Stop. According to the petitioner, since the advertisement clearly provides for grant of 5 marks weightage for candidates who have passed high school TET earlier. comma, the learned counsel submits that the marks could not have been deducted.
Data mice was left from data, no? From data mice was.
Stop. The learned counsel submits that, no, stop. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. SMT Chisti, learned
1 and 2.
standing counsel, secondary education. Accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies within 2 days. List again. When?
January.
Mid of this December. Before the winter meeting.
12th.
12. Updates. Update.
Oblige.
Item 6.
May I please? May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, here the matter relates to the provincialization of the drop teacher. The petitioner name was dropped, from 30/11/2021 on the ground of, less enrollment of the, student in petitioner subject in the year 2016. The enrollment of the student was, shown, as, 4 instead of 10. And
You are praying for provincialization.
Lordship,
Why your case has not been considered? Otherwise,
Because enrollment was less at that period of time, Lordship.
what is the requirement?
enrollment was shown less than,
What is the requirement? Is there any fixed enrollment? At least this much or that much?
it was fixed as,
As? Fixed as what?
10, Lordship.
10?
10.
10 in one academic session? At least 10 enrollments should be there. From where you're saying that?
In, page number 26.
So if that is the case, then how do you make out your case? If enrollment was less, then how can you be considered for provincialization? If the guidelines provide like that. What is the name of your school? Rangachahi.
TN Higher Secondary School,
Rangachahi Teen High School, High Secondary School.
Lordship.
You have made a claim for provincialization, but the answer is that its enrollment is less than 10. So
No, my lord, there is a mistake, my lord. Actually, this enrollment was my lord, required number of the enrollment, but that was wrongly shown as a 4 instead of 10. But subsequently, my lord, district level committee and the state level committee, and later on the independent committee as per the direction of the my lord, the authority concerned, that was conducted, and subsequently that was found that was actually correct 10 numbers were there. According to last my lord, on the basis of the my lord, the findings of the state independent committee, director has recommended total 60 numbers of candidate my lord, who were earlier my lord, dropped, but subsequently they are recommended. Now in 47 serial number, that is in page number 53, my lord. His name has been reflected, and this is recommended, and ground for recommendation earlier rejection was shown, that a less number was shown. Actually, that is a correct number was 10 was there. From the council, it is verification. Now it has been named, has been recommended. In column 3, Lordship will get.
serial number 47 is in respect of the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
For what? or it comes as the,
Yes,
as,
Ranjan Gogoi. Dragon, my lord. His name is here in serial number 47.
he's the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. So now it is lordship will come to 10 column, last column. Whereas my lord, it is clearly shown that earlier enrollment report was shown as full for the 2016. Later on, as per the report obtained from the Assam Higher Secondary School Education Council, enrollment for the year 2016 is found 11. Hence hence maybe my lord is considered for the provincialization. That is now recommended. So that on that basis, my lord, I am claiming the provincialization. So
Okay,
the
the-
notice may go at this stage. my
The
lord.
report has been submitted on,
Yes,
So
that is
23,
submitted
12.
by this, my lord.
23, 12, 24.
so this has not been acted upon till
No,
date.
yes, my lord.
That is why you're
Yes,
here.
yes, but already my lordship has passed in similar order to for finally dispose the matter. So I am not today my lord pressing these things and let the notice may go faster and then next day my lordship will consider. my lord.
Third, Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the name of the petitioner for provincialization of service was dropped earlier on the wrong notion that the number of enrollment of the school in where he is working, that is Ranga Chahi TN Higher Secondary School, did not have the required enrollment. However, a report was prepared on the basis of the verification done by independent authorities of the districts and submitted to the secretary to the government of Assam School Education Department on 23/12/2024, wherein the name of the petitioner is at serial number 47, with the remarks that the enrollment at the relevant time was found to be 11 and not 4, as was indicated earlier. So, despite the said report, since the respondents have not taken steps for provincialization of the services of the petitioner is before this court. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, accepts notice on behalf of
No, not all lordship, government is there, 1, 2, and 3,
respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3.
and government is there for 4.
And Mr.
Video.
B. Deori,
For respondent.
Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Notice is complete. Extra copies within 3 days.
That will fix one.
List again on so and so. After folks.
Massive.
Yes.
Item 8.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, the petitioner is seeking regularization, my lord, from 24/8/1994, my lord. The basic fact, my lord, was that the petitioner was initially appointed for Operation Blackboard. Your lordship will kindly come to page 16, my lord. Page 16, my lord. In pursuance of government letter number so and so, and one post sanctioned by the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, against Jamuguri MEM, white letter dated so and so, Kahilipara, the service of the following working teachers has been regularized with effect from 24/4/1998. My lord, will see the name of the petitioner, Muhammad Kubbad Ali, my lord. Your lordship has seen that.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, after the conclusion of the scheme, the petitioners and similarly situated individuals, my lord, they continued to be engaged, my lord, in the profession. Thereafter, your lordship will kindly come to page 17. Page 17, my lord. This is an office order dated 5 October 2013. Page
Page?
17.
17.
17, my lord. 17. That the government of Assam is pleased to adjust, regularize the services of 13 teachers in upper primary schools under Nagaon districts against similar number of sanctioned posts. My lord, the petitioner's name features at serial number 9, Muhammad Kubbad Ali, my lord. serial number 9. Your Lordship has seen that?
Yeah.
Now, what had happened, my lord, pursuant to that, the petitioners, not the petitioners, in fact, my lord, similarly situated individuals, they're seeking regularization of their services, my lord, from the date of the initial appointment under Operation Blackboard. So when that same was not granted, the petitioner association, my lord, at one point in time, the petitioner is not a part of that association at page 18. My lord will kindly come to page 19, my lord. I apologize. Page 19. This was a writ petition. This was a writ petition which was moved. before
No,
this-
see, page 17 is regularization order.
My lord, page 19, my lord, page 19.
17.
17, my lord. This is a regularization order, my lord, from the date of issuance of this, my lord,
From
the order.
5th October.
October, my lord.
You are claiming from and
From the date of my initial appointment under Operation Blackboard, my lord, which is the,
that is
at, my lord, 24/4/1998. 24/4/1998.
yes. So that's how on what basis?
On the fact that, my lord, I have been working under a regularized sanction post under the government, my lord, from the date of my initial induction into service.
Hmm.
Now, pursuant to that, what had happened, my lord, there was a writ petition which was filed by an organization consisting of members of Operation Blackboard, my lord. The order starts at page 19.
Relevant portion.
A relevant portion, my lord. The relevant portion is at page 20. My lord, page 21.
Para
Para 7, my lord.
7.
7.
There's no para 721.
21. My lord, I
Para
apologize.
7 is in 22.
My lord, paragraph, page 22, my lord. Page 20. Apologize, my lord.
Yes.
Sir, yeah. In that view of the matter, this writ petition is disposed of.
No,
with
no,
the
no. It just says dispose of. Before that, what is the reasoning?
The reasoning, my lord, there was an affidavit which was filed by the state. Also, the reference to that is at paragraph number 4, my lord.
Read that.
Yes, my lord. The Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department also issued a letter dated 9/1/2013 to the Additional Advocate General Assam and Senior Standing Counsel Education Department in respect of the present case, which is reproduced below. With reference to the above, I'm direct to say that the Government in Education Elementary Department has examined the Honorable High Court's order dated so-and-so and dated so-and-so passed in WPC number 3058 of 2011 with a view to comply with the Honorable High Court's order and to make necessary modification in respect of Government order number so-and-so to allow the petitioners regularization benefit with effect from 24/4/1998 towards payment of regular salary, etc. However, as the views and approval of the Finance Department is required, the matter was referred to the Finance Department by file number so-and-so on 18/8/2012. Since the matter is still sub judice, Finance Department advised this department to obtain views of the Judicial Department on the matter. Accordingly, the said file was already been endorsed to Judicial Department on 26/12/2012 for their views. An extract copy of the Finance Department's advice is enclosed herewith for ready reference. You are therefore requested kindly to move the Honorable High Court accordingly.
Okay, so during the pendency of this writ petition,
My lord. So
there was a letter from the secretary,
Yes, my
Commission Secretary,
Yes, madam.
saying that we're examining and to
Yes.
grant them. and
Yes.
The Finance Department is also being consulted.
Yes, madam.
So court said that complete the process.
My lord, and pursuant to that, the process was completed. My lord, your lordship will kindly come to page 23. Page 23. Page
This-
23. my-
yes.
Yes. The first portion is read.
Mm.
Read. The direction of the Honorable Guwahati High Court in the order dated 19/5/2015 in WPC number 3058 of 2011 in the matter of allowing all service benefit, including salary with effect from the date of initial joining, that is 24/4/1998. The operative part of the judgment and order dated 19/5/2015 passed by the Honorable High Court in WPC 3058/2011 is reproduced below. Thereafter, my lord, the reproduced paragraph 7, my lord, has been reproduced there, my lord. Now, my lord will kindly see, before your lordship will come to the findings, I'll request your lordship to come to page 24. Page 24,
Yes,
the last portion, my lord,
Mm.
decision. Your lordship has seen that?
yes.
In view of the above findings, the prayer of all Assam Operation Blackboard, ME, MEM, MV Teachers Association and others, represented by the Secretary Torun Kolita, is hereby allowed towards regularization of petitioners in service from 24/4/1998. Also payment of regular salary as per pay scale prior to 2/8/2010 together with other consequential benefit as admissible for all practical purposes, including pension under the relevant provision of the Act and rules in force. So the benefit, my lord, was
So are
granted.
you not a part of the association?
I was not a part of the association. My
That's
lord,
why you left out.
yes, my lord. My lord will now come for a moment, my lord. Your lordship will come to page 23, findings, my lord. Why it may be relevant. Findings. Page 23.
Yes.
Yes. It appears from the records and reports that petitioners were appointed during 1998 onwards and were receiving salary in regular scale of pay with regular incremental benefits since their date of joining till 28/2/2010. Subsequently, in compliance of the Honorable High Court decision thereof, government issued instructions to DEE Assam to regularize the service of the petitioners against permanent vacant posts via government orders number so-and-so dated 9/7/2010, so-and-so dated 3/3/2011, order number so-and-so dated 24/2011, order number so-and-so dated 7/3/2013, order number so-and-so dated so-and-so, order number 148/2009/227/8 dated 5/10/2013. Your lordship has seen that?
Which one?
My lord, in findings, the reference to order numbers, my lord, the order dated 5/10/2013, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship has seen that?
Hmm.
Now, my lord, this is the same order under which the petitioner was regularized, which is at, my lord, page 70. Page 70. This is the same notification which has been referred to for regularization, my lord. 5th October 2013. And the order memo number is PMA.148/2009/227-A.
5th October.
October, my lord. 5th of October 2013. So what has happened, my lord? The petitioner association, apologize, my lord, the association which had approached this honorable court
Hmm.
and had gotten the relief, the petitioner was not a part of that association.
Hmm.
But be that as it may, my lord, the notification by which the petitioner was regularized with effect from 5/10/2013, the incumbents following under that rule were also regularized, my lord. I am seeking an order of regularization on parity, my lord.
Yes.
I've retired from service, my lord, from 31/12.
You retired already.
I've retired, my lord. I've retired, my lord. The benefits can be granted, my lord. The consequential benefits, my lord. I'm not seeking for promotion or for birth in a cadre, my lord.
No, that is one thing, but
Yes,
the thing
ma'am.
is that this benefit was granted when?
These benefits, my lord, were granted pursuant to the order which is at
No,
on
no.
2019, my lord.
On which date?
My lord, 29/6/2019.
When did you retire?
I retired, my lord, on 31/12/2023.
So why do you come after more than 6 years?
My lord, I have been approaching the offices of the elementary education numerous times, my lord. Then COVID happened for 2 years, my lord. I was handicapped on that aspect, my lord. Then I've also preferred a representation, my lord. My rights, my humble submission, my lord, have been fortified by this honorable court and by the action of the government. I'm only seeking parity with similarly situated individuals, my lord.
No, that is okay,
My
but why you have come after 6 years? COVID was
COVID
over.
there for 2021.
Long time
Thereafter, my
back.
lord, I had certain difficulties in approaching this honorable court. My lord, I had repeatedly kept on visiting the offices of the DEE, my lord, but there was no relief granted. My lord, this was my last resort of approaching this honorable court, my lord.
Where is your approach to them?
My
Any-
lord,
Any written approach?
This is the latest representation, my lord, in the month of 2025 itself, my lord, page 26.
Ms. Sutia, what do you say?
There is no reference of earlier representation in this, my lord, page 26, my lord. If you lordship page 26, my lord.
This is a fresh representation.
Yes, my
Page
lord.
representation.
Yes, my lord.
The only representation.
My lord.
My lord, this is as far as we understand, my lord, as far as I understand,
No,
according to my
before
client's
this, did you
instruction,
approach?
my lord, I had verbally visited the offices of the DEE, my lord, but there are no instances of any representations pending, my lord. In fact, the Honorable Supreme Court also, my lord, in this regard, has
No,
been very
no, don't
categorical.
take us to all that. You should tell me
Yes, my lord.
before on the facts.
My lord. My lord.
Is whether you have approached earlier by filing any representation. You have not.
I have not, my lord.
You have gone to the office. only.
Yes, my lord. In fact, my lord, if your lordship sees the final order which grants the relief of regularization, the order was very categorical in talking about incumbents of those particular notification. I was a part of the notification, as the Lordship had rightly seen. I was in serial number 9. Now, might have been slight delay, my lord, on my part in approaching this honorable court, but that cannot deprive me of my rights, my lord. My humble submission, let the authorities, let them dispose of.
So this order which was passed.
My lord.
Is it not a sort of an order meant for everyone?
No, my lord. The reason being, if your lordship comes to the portion at page 24,
Hmm.
the decision portion, my lord,
Yes.
it says, in view of the above findings, the prayer of the All Assam Operation Blackboard Teachers Association and others represented by the secretary is disposed of, is hereby allowed. So the benefit which was granted by the notification, my lord, order dated 29/6/2019 was confined to only the petitioners with approaches court on the earlier occasion. But the fact of the matter remains, my lord, that I'm similarly situated and I was a part of one of those notifications who had approached this honorable court, my lord.
So you are a fence sitter. That's all.
I'm not a fence sitter, my lord. In fact, my lord, there are judgments on
You are
those.
not, then why didn't you come before
My lord, I was not.
6 years?
My lord, I could not approach the court for many personal reasons, my lord. The COVID pandemic was one of them, my lord, and there was a slight delay. Yes, my lord.
COVID is not lasting till today.
No, my lord, absolutely not, my lord. But there has been physical visitations, my lord, to the offices of DE, which I cannot substantiate and corroborate. But my rights have been affected, my lord, in the sense that similarly situated individuals have gotten the right, my lord.
Please write out, Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner is
Seeking regularization.
in regularization of his service.
From 24/4/1998.
With effect from 24/4/1998. In view of the fact that his case is also covered by the decision taken by the respondent authorities. Pursuant to the case filed by the All Assam Operation Blackboard Teachers Association. To stop, the learned counsel submits that the petitioner also was one of the appointees under the Operation Blackboard,
My lord.
and his service came to be regularized. With effect from 5/10/2013.
13, my lord.
By office order issued under memo number PMA 148/2009/227.
My lord, /A. That is that is indicated at page 18, my lord. Memo number. The next page, my lord.
Next
Near-
page means
Page 18, my lord. Page 18. Near the signatory clause, my lord. Memo number PMS/A. That is the correct memo number, my lord. There is a small difference, my lord. The A was not there in the first page.
last is 227, correct? Dash capital A. 227 is there.
Yes, it's
Only that A is missing.
that A is missing. my lord.
That's all, yes. The learned counsel submits that the same was the reference made by the order issued by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam,
My lord.
Elementary Education Department on 29/6/2019,
19, my lord.
granting the benefit of regularization of service with effect from 24/4/1998 to other similarly situated persons. So the learned counsel submits that the petitioner has since retired from service. And although he approached the respondent authorities on many occasions, with his grievance, the same was not considered. And therefore, he's again, and therefore he's before this court. Issue notice of motion, returnable by 4 weeks. Recess to dear learned standing counsel. Elementary duration accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1,
2 and 3.
2, and 3. Ms. R.M. Barua
Where's
for
one?
respondent number 4.
1, 2, 3.
Extra copies within 3 days.
Grateful, ma'am.
Item 9.
May I please?
Yes.
Yes, this matter pertains to the stoppage of the result of the 10th semester examination of the petitioners on the ground that they have used two handwritings in their project 10.5. And it has been stated they have used unfair means. And whereas they have, petitioner number 2 has never used two handwritings. He has the single handwriting, never used any unfair means. And the other petitioners have admitted in their representation before the university that they are ready to give a fresh project of containing of 200 pages. They have not denied the fact, they have not used the help of their parents because it contained of 200 pages where the research, where analysis and the ideas were original and they have not copied from anybody. Even then their results were being withheld and now they are unable to appear in the AIB examination that is to be held on 30th of this month, 30 of the November. The lordship may find the representation at 46.
Now, what is happening on 30th November?
Lordship, on 30th of November.
What is
30th of-
happening on that day?
On 30th of November, your lordship, they have the examination of AIB. And since the examination has not been declared for these petitioners, they are unable to sit in the AIB examination and also they could not.
What is AIB?
Lordship,
What is AIB full form?
AIB is the All India Bar Council examination, your lordship. That is after LLB that they have to appear for their license. And the registration process is also being stopped. And now the examination of 30th, we are praying for an interim so that
How many how many semesters are there?
there are 10 semesters.
10 semester.
Yes, only the last semester is the 10th semester where
On the last semester examination, you applied two different kinds of handwriting.
only one subject 10.5 is the paper of moot court and internship, which they have it content of 200 pages, where they have not denied the fact, they have admitted to the university. They were called for after making a representation, the notice was being issued. They appeared on the 4th of November.
So what
They
is
have also,
10.5?
yes,
10.5, where is that? Two practical papers.
yes, practical papers. Recently on 10th,
What is the subject? 10.5,
it is the paper of moot court and internship.
moot court and
Internship.
internship.
Recently, they were called by the university.
Hmm.
The notices are there at page 50. All the petitioners, after making a representation, they were called in.
How many petitioners?
There are 5 petitioners. Petitioner number 2 had never used two handwritings. She had only single handwriting, and rest of the petitioners has confessed before the university that they are ready to submit, but they were not being heard on that particular day. Only petition number 3 was being heard.
Okay, what is the allegation against you?
The allegation is only that I have used
it given in
two
writing?
handwritings, two handwritings in my project.
Was it given in writing to you, the
It was not
allegation?
given in writing to you. After the pop-up that has come in the university, your lordship will
Hmm.
find that page 45, there is a website displayed the pop-up of notification that due to unfair means your result is stopped, please contact your college and university. And after they have appeared before the principal of the Nagaon Law College, and they were being informed about what is the issue behind this. And they were informed that the 10.5 paper 2 handwriting were being used. And accordingly, their result will be declared in the month of April 2026. They will get a chance of hearing in the April 2026. Thereafter, they could not wait and they made a representation on 17/10/2025, Your Worship. And the representation is at page 46.
So, use of two different handwritings has been resorted to by all the five of them.
No, it has been alleged that 5 of them has used the 2 handwritings, whereas the petitioner number 2 has said that she has only used her own handwriting, not 2 handwritings. She has only used her own handwriting, made the project entirely by herself, whereas the other petitioners admitted before the university that they took the help of their parents, they dictated some of the papers as they contained of 200 pages. So the research is completely their own. They have made the analysis, everything is the concept is their original. They have not copied from anybody. Just they took some pages help from their parents in writing the 200 pages. And they were also ready to give a fresh project, even they were given opportunity before the examination can be, they can appear in the AIB examination, but they were not being heard.
See, all the handwritings in this five these petitioners are similar or different.
No, everybody has
Every
submitted
individual petitioner
projects.
has
Everybody
got two handwritings.
and
That's
two
why.
handwritings as per the university, and they have confessed. The 1, 3, 4, and 5 have confessed that we have used the handwriting of my parents in some of the papers.
The parents have written them for them.
Parents has written some of the pages for them as it contained 200 pages.
Okay.
And petitioner number 2 is stated that she has not used any other handwriting. She has completely made projects by herself.
Okay, then what has happened after that? You
After
were
that,
called?
after being called on the 4th of this November, Lordship will find the notices at page 50.
Yes. What happened after that?
They were being called therein. Whereas only petition number 3 was given an opportunity to speak, not the other petitioners. Petitioner number 3 spoke on behalf of all of them, and they have stated everything that they are ready to give the project also again if given an opportunity. And they have admitted before the university that they may be given an opportunity. And number 2 also has tried to convey her message through the petition number 3, as she was not being able to given the opportunity to speak, that she has not used any other handwriting, and she has been wrongly given as an unfair means.
So there's a dispute. You dispute that.
Yes,
They say two handwritings, you say there's no two handwritings.
yes.
How do we resolve that in a writ petition?
Now, Worship, my humble prayer is that,
If they say there are two handwritings and you say there is no two handwriting,
yes, my humble prayer
Then-
is that Your Worship, now the examination is, their result has been withheld, stating that they have used 2 handwriting. That is they may be given an opportunity to write a fresh project again. They may be losing an entire year for this. And other students also, and another thing, Your Worship, I have mentioned in the
any order withholding your results has been issued? Any order, any notice?
No,
Nothing.
no,
Simply
we
withheld.
are not being heard, and Lordship, in the practical papers were checked and they certified by the teachers and principals before they are being allowed by the external evaluation. And now once it is certified, the students have the legitimate belief that they have no any irregularity existed therein. But thereafter, after being verified and checked by the principal and the teachers, the external has come over to the college, and then this had happened, that they have used 2 handwriting. Otherwise, they would have, their result would have been declared and they would have appeared in the AIB examination, Your Worship. Now they will be losing an entire year. The university should have been looking into the fact whether they have cheated in the original concept of the project, whether they have wrote the original concept, analysis has been made by them or not, but it has been seen only the 2 handwritings.
Yes, Mr. Fukan.
Lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Millard, Guwahati University, respondent number 2, the registrar as well as the controller. The petitioners are from Nagaon Law College, Millard. Millard, entire matter boils down to one thing, Millard. The hearing was, Millard, held before the Unfair Means Committee on 4th, Millard, 4th of November. We still don't know what is the outcome of that Unfair Means Committee hearing.
Comprising of?
Millard?
The Unfair Means Committee comprises of who? Who are the officials?
Millard,
From the university?
Guwahati University, as well as the principal of Nagaon Law College. So, Millard, the maximum, Millard, this honorable court may direct, since it's an academic issue, And it's pending before the unfair means committee to expedite the process, my lord, regarding the outcome of this hearing process. my lord.
Hearing took place on which date?
On 4th of November, as per
4th of
paragraph number 12, page 11.
So you are representing the university, isn't it?
My lord,
Can you get instructions then?
my lord. My lord, I will have the instruction.
You get instructions, they say that exams are going to happen in 30th November,
The registration is
Bar.
already over.
All India Bar.
Registration, last date is already over.
When is the last date?
It was last date
31
of 31st of November, Your Worship, and 31st of October. and
Registration.
Registration.
And he filed this petition on 18th of November.
Now, Lordship, they were waiting for the results to be declared and they were waiting for the representation to be replied with.
Result
And,
was declared in August, my lord. August. Result, August.
Result, August.
So.
Office may be issued at this stage, my lord. In the meantime, I will obtain instructions.
So Lordship may take up the matter before 30th of this month. So there's some necessary instruction may be given, they can appear in the AIB examination manually. If
When
they can,
registration is over, then how do you appear now?
no, if they can do it manually, Your Lordship, before the Bar Council.
Manually? I don't know whether such things have.
So for that
Possible.
reason, we have made a bar party in this case so that we can avail some remedy in this regard.
That could be best explained by my lord, Bar Council, my lord. Their respondents here. Regarding manual,
Who is the council?
since
Who represents the Bar Council? They have an advocate,
P. Mahanta,
standing council.
my lord. Possibly, my lord, it's impossible, my lord, since 31 October, the last date of registration.
Okay, please write hard, Mr.
Yes, Ahmed.
As Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioners, who submits that the 5 petitioners were are pursuing, were pursuing 10th semester course, no, were pursuing BLL, no, are pursuing BLLB course. And in the final 10th semester, they have been reported to resort to unfair means, since 2 different handwritings were discovered in the in paper 10.5,
Yes,
which is moot court and internship.
yes.
Stocky submits that although the petitioners have themselves had admitted that they had some help from their parents to write the papers, and they are ready to rewrite the papers if necessary, the respondent authorities concerned have withheld their results till date. Full stop. Such being the position, the petitioners will not be able to appear for the upcoming All India Bar Council examination, scheduled to be held on
30th of November.
30/11/2025. Stop. It is also submitted that hearing
Oh, sure.
was conducted.
Yes, a hearing was conducted by the university by calling. them
Hearing
right-
was conducted by the university on 4/11/2025, but the outcome is not known till date. Next, para in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by this week. Short date.
This 10 days, my lord.
Ashik, then before 30th.
No, registration is over. So, my lord, That aspect is.
That aspect will look after by the bar council, your worship, that the bar
All
council.
India exam. Say, all
All
India
in exam, bar council, what will do? Returnable by 2 weeks. Mr. Vijay Phukan, Learned Standing Council.
For respondent 2 and
Guwahati
5.
University accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
2 and 5.
2 and 5.
I'll pay for one matter.
Mr. S. Das appears for respondent number 1.
One matter.
Then
For bar council.
bar council. Notice we served to the respondent numbers 3 and 4 through Mr. What's his name?
B Mahanta.
B. Mahanta, Standing Council, Bar Council.
He is the standing council of bar council of Assam, my lord.
Not Bar Council of India, isn't it? Assam only.
Yes.
This is also Bar Council of Assam. Oh, okay. B. Mahanta accepts notice on behalf, what did I say? Okay, only 4. Respondent number 4, through Mr. So-and-so, Standing Council, Bar Council, Assam. And the acknowledgement received from him be submitted before the registry as proof of service. Then petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3 by registered post with AD within 3 days. Extra copies within 3 days. List again after 2 weeks.
Worship, and you may be made to hear the bar council before 30th of this November, so that we can try to make the petitioner sit in the examination at least.
But how will you hear the Bar Council of India? They don't have a standing council here, isn't it? Time is very short. You should have come earlier, in fact. What can be done?
It was filed on 19, it has come up late, your worship.
No, before 19, you should have filed.
We are waiting for the reply for the, and the notices was also being issued.
No,
for
that
the
is
hearing.
not the thing. Now, how long will you wait?
Your Lordship, may I kindly hear the, on 28th, at least today is 24, after 4 days, if something can be done. If not, then
Will hear, provided the fact that notice is affected upon the party concerned. But what can the Bar Council of Assam say? What can the Government University say regarding the exams?
we only factor that we have
It
to
is
look
not
into whether
within their
that can be
control.
done manually, so that they can sit in the
I
examination.
don't know. What do you suggest, Mr. Bhugan?
My lord, since the registration date is over on 31st of October, and the petitioners have not come before that. And there is no mentioning about any registration process on their part before 31st October. So since last date is over, so now focusing upon this exam on 30th November, fruitless, my lord.
Otherwise, they'll be losing another year.
Obviously,
Without
that's very
registration, how
important.
can they appear?
What can be done? See, I'm ready to fix on this end of this week, but then what will happen? Nothing can be done.
If
They will not be able to come also.
If it is being informed to them, and we will try to serve a copy to them,
To whom?
to the sending council of the bar council,
Bar Council of what? Assam?
Assam, and the who
Bar Council
appears
of India.
India को नहीं present को-
So this is the problem, you see.
All India exam.
Council of Assam, they can take justice service. There is no difficulty, I think. Bar Council of India, there is Assam is here.
For that exam.
The Bar Council of Assam,
doesn't
I have
have
already
any-
indicated that copy be given to the council, standing council. And acknowledgement will be submitted. The matter ends there. But Bar Council of India, if they don't have a permanent council here, standing council, then
Lordship may fix the matter on 28 if something happens, otherwise the matter may be fixed after 2 weeks.
I don't know what will happen with it. All right, list on 28.
Obliged.
Most obliged.
Item 10,
My lord. Worship, the petitioner seeking, my lord, family pension. My lord, her husband, my lord, was a head teacher of, my lord, Haltorbar LP School under Katigora Educational Block, my lord, in the district of Kachar. He was retired on 31st of December 2010, and thereafter, my lord, he was receiving pension regularly, my lord. And my lord, on 27/6/2023, my lord, he died. And thereafter, my lord, the petitioner, being the legally married wife, my lord, she is pursuing for family pension.
No, just a minute,
And-
Mr. Notice. The last matter, na? Last part you write. Issue notice on the interim payer as well. Turnable by this Friday, 28, okay? And list on 20,
I'm sorry, my lord.
yes. Yes, please continue.
My lord, on 27/6/2023, her husband died, my lord. And thereafter, she is regularly pursuing for family pension. And finally, my lord, on 15/9/2025, she has submitted representation before the District Elementary Education Officer, my lord, Silchar, and which is pending. Now, my lord, my prayer at this stage, my lord, let the authority be, my lord, dispose of my representation after examining my eligibility, my lord.
Where's the representation?
Representation, my lord, page 9, lordship.
Family pension due to the death of your husband?
Lordship.
When did he die?
He
Expired.
died on 27/6/2023, my
In harness?
lordship,
In harness or after retirement?
after retirement.
After
After
retirement. Who was
After-
getting pension after retirement?
He was regularly getting pension, my lord.
Then?
And my lord, he died on 27/6/2023. Thereafter, my lord, the family pension is due to the present petitioner, my lord, as a wife, my lord.
You're not the nominee of the, you have not been nominated.
My lord, the pension book I have lost, my lord. I am not sure, my lord. I lost the pension book.
How many wives did he have?
My lord, only one servant.
Sirajuddin Ahmed.
lordship.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
And why the pension is denied to you?
That is the question. That's why, my lord, I am.
No.
This is notice we provided because petitioner husband was died on the 27/6/2023, my lord. Now we are in 25, my lord. Why? After 2 months, 2 years, my lord, he has come, my lord.
I have
Short
mentioned
notice,
the
my lord.
PPO number, my lord.
We'll issue notice, let her get instructions, okay?
My lord.
We'll not dispose it all like that. Heard, Mr.
M. Ali.
M. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the husband of the petitioner, Sirajuddin Ahmed,
Lordship.
was working as head teacher of number 702, Haltor Park, LP School, Haltor Park, under Katigora Education Block, Kachar, Assam. So after his retirement, he was getting his pension regularly as per PPO number AA D for Delhi /PPO/GPO/2013/013809. Stop. However, the petitioner's husband expired on 27/6/2023. And thereafter, pension has been stopped. Although the petitioner approached the authorities for grant of pension, but the same has not been given to her till date. As such, the petition is before this court. The details I give you now, this will be in page 9, okay? PPO number and all that. School name and all that. In view of above, issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. That's Supriya Lalit, Standing Council, Elementary Education, accepts notice on behalf of respondent.
1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, my lord.
Numbers 1, 2, 3,
3,
5,
5.
and 6.
Diya na copy? 4, my lord, finance.
See also, Director of Pension,
No, my lord, director pension.
then 1, 2,
1, 2, 5, and 6.
5, and 6. Mr.
Ten, no?
B. Diori. Learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3 and Ms. R.M. Barua. Or accept notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Notice is complete, extra copies within 3 days.
We maybe furnish the copies and our name be shown.
List the matter again after 3 weeks,
Mongolia.
showing the name of GSM and
Finance also.
SC Finance in the cost list. Learned counsels for the respondent shall obtain instructions as regard the status of the
Copies.
pension,
Yeah.
as well as the representation said to have been submitted by the petitioner before the district elementary education officer, Silchar Kachar, on 15/9/2025.
Obliged.
Yes. What about 10?
May I
10 was when? This is 12. 10 is also mentioned. Oh, the last matter was 10, okay. Yes,
May I please, Your Worship? My lord, the case of the petitioner has been rejected by the DLC, my lord, in the year 2017, page 54. On the
54.
ground that, my lord, page 58 is the claim has been rejected on the ground of late submission because he was the minor. That is the ground, on the ground it is not accepted, my lord. This honorable court, my lord, in the case of, my lord, one WPC 4766/2019, I have annexed 10, page 79.
no, before that, you please come back to that DLC minutes,
Yes, Lordship.
page number,
58.
relevant portion is 58.
58, my lord, your Lordship will come in the second table, below table, second column.
Serial number,
Serial number, it is Abu, my lord, MD Rahman, in the second table, below portion. In the right hand side, you will find the reasons of rejection.
no, serial number 2,
Yes,
Mohammed Raihan,
yes.
son of late Fakaruddin.
Fakaruddin,
This one,
yes,
this is the petitioner.
yes. Right hand
And
side,
rejection is not because of underage, it says because of late submission.
late submission. And late submission is because of his underage. And this honorable court, my lord, I take your lordship to Annexure 10, page 79, my lord. In a similar case, my lord, where said
Page 10, Annexure 10, what?
Annexure 10, my lord.
Yes.
Accordingly, I read, my lord, page 83, last page. Para 8, my lord. Accordingly, by maintaining the uniformity of the decisions of this court is of the view that it will be appropriate if the authorities reconsider the case of the petitioner without rejecting the same on the ground of delay or that he had applied for the same after he became a major, if the case of the petitioner is deserving one. Accordingly, the present retribution is allowed by setting aside the impugned DLC minor circumstances. As far as the petitioner is concerned, the respondent authorities are directed to reconsider the case of the petitioner for appointment under the scheme, and his case may not be rejected merely on the ground that the petitioner was minor at the time of filing of his application. This exercise shall be completed by the respondent authorities within such and such time. Earlier, my lord, this petitioner approached this honorable court, and as because my lord, government's this case, my lord, page number 64, your lordship may kindly go to 64. last paragraph. I'm reading paragraph 7, my lord.
Read.
Mr. Borua, however, submits that die-in harness scheme postulates immediate relief to the family of the deceased employee concerned, and as such, there cannot be any reservation of vacancy in favor of such and such who was a minor till he becomes a major in such and such terms. Mr. Borua, learned government advocate, also submits that the scheme is no more in existence, having been abolished by notification numbers, notification such and such with effect from such and such. This court is of the view that the matters pertains to essentially to relay the policy or decision to be taken by the concerned authority. However, this court, having considered the rival contention of the view that such a relief claimed by the petitioner cannot be granted since the scheme has been abolished and any amendment to the rules normally will be a prospective effect, and as such no purpose will be served by issuing direction to the respondent authorities to consider the plea of the petitioner. Hence, this court is of the opinion that this petition is liable to be closed. My lord, as because the earlier, after coming of the compassionate family pension scheme with effect from 1/4/2017, my lord, the government has decided to not to take into consideration. So now, my lord, after this this SOP has come, whereby, my lord, the government all pending cases have been, my lord, the government has decided to initiate a process for their one-time consideration. So hence I am approaching this honorable court, my lord. Yes, because government is taking into consideration and under the earlier policy and by framing an SOP, my lord. So my case may be considered, may be rejected, may not be rejected, up to them, my lord. On merit, they will take a decision.
Cases, direction was for considering the pending cases.
Pending cases.
Your case is not a pending case. Your case is a rejected case.
The rejected, my lord, this honorable court closed the case with the condition, my lord, as because the policy on the basis of the submissions of the learned respondent side, my lord. Submission was that the policy has been abolished.
So
But
why have you come back again now? It was
my
already
lord, the
closed.
cause of action has, my lord, this executive order has come for consideration of the pending cases.
No, executive order has been issued
Yes.
pursuant to the some agreement reached by the parties
Yes,
in a number of cases where the OM was challenged,
yes, Toshi,
correct?
yes,
And the direction was to consider the pending cases.
yes. And the here the
Your
OM was.
case is not a pending case.
OM was, my lord, on the ground that the earlier policy one, that is to abolish, that is the OM, my lord. And in my case, my lord, already this submission was rendered earlier. So I submitted a notice may be issued at this stage, my lord. So,
No notice, will dispose it of just now. No case. Mr. Diori, who is appearing? You want notice?
Lordship. The DLC was in 2017, so after a lapse of 8 years.
No, DLC has already said that
Hmm.
you have come late. And again, he approached again before this court. He had approached this court and the matter was disposed of, saying that the scheme has been abolished.
Yes, sir.
And today he's saying that there was another order passed, common order, by which court directed that let the case be considered.
That pending cases. were not.
And those are only for pending cases. So I don't think I have to dismiss it, Mr. Prokashta. What to do?
my lord, let me try another day, my lord. Let it come after 1 week.
No, no, no. Don't go bench hunting like that.
Let me try, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Prokashta, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner seeks for a direction to the respondent authorities to consider his case for compassionate appointment. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the case of the petitioner was taken up for consideration by the DLC. DLC what?
DLC, my lord, now it is Sribhumi, earlier it is Karimganj.
DLC Karimganj on 17/7/2017. But however, his application was rejected on the grounds of late submission of the application. Since the government employee had expired on 7/4/2008. But the application was filed on 21/12/2016. Most of the petitioner then filed WPC number 6316 of 2017 before this court, which was taken up and disposed of by order dated 22/8/2019. In view of the fact that the compassionate appointment scheme has been abolished by notification dated 14/9/2017 with effect from 1/4/2017. Stop, the petitioner has now once again filed the instant writ petition on the ground that where's the order of the
It's Annexure 10. Page 79.
no, not this is not the order I'm looking for. The order passed in that common order.
Common order, my lord, your lordship will find at page 65.
65. No, 65. What's the last sentence? A coordinate bench of this court, provide common order dated 3/4/2025, wherein the lead case was WPC number 342 of 2025. Despite challenge made to the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024 and directed the respondent authorities to consider all the pending applications for compassionate appointment on the basis of the policy laid down by the government in this regard. Stop, therefore, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to consider his case as well. Stop. It may, however, be seen that the direction passed on 3/4/2025 was in respect of the pending cases, whereas the case of the petitioner had received consideration in the TLC meeting, which was held on 17/7/2017. Stop. Therefore, this court is of the considered view that no direction can be passed at this stage. More particularly when the writ petition of the petitioner was disposed of on 22/8/2019. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed.
My lord, one observation, my lord, dismissal may not be a bar for his ventilating his grievance in any other forum. This may be, dismissal may not be a bar for ventilating his grievance, my lord, in any forum.
Which forum? What-
Whatever, my lord, landed, my petitioner may submit a representation and again approach, whatever, my lord, let it be open, my lord, at least. Otherwise,
No, it's not close to you. You can may go, but as far as rate petition is concerned, close. Other forum you may go, it's up to you. Next.
20 of the supply list.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, here petitioner is the president of SMC of a private school, my lord. In nearby the school of the petitioner, my lord, the respondent number 10 has started running another school. But the school without obtaining recognition, permission, you guys all are necessary, my lord. So in this regard, I have filed a complaint to the district commissioner, my lord, page 38. So now, my lord, my limited prayer before my lord, that representation may be disposed of, my lord. That is my.
Lordship, what we have communicated the concerned deputy commissioner, your lordship. So, but no correspondence have been received, your lordship. So, see that taking the matter into that, your lordship, let there be a direction to the district commissioner to in presence of the respondent number 10, let there be a speaking order by hearing the parties within 15 days. Because we have written already 2 communications twice. So let there direction to
Yes, both,
after
hearing
in
both
the
sides.
presence of all the parties, the applications may be
Petitioner as well as respondent number
Who
10.
will dispose of district commission?
district commissioner.
Who is the petitioner otherwise?
Petitioner is the president of school management committee
Of which school?
Sonabari Jatiyo Vidyalaya.
And you are aggrieved by?
Agreed by River Valley Academy. Headmaster, respondent number 10.
Actual examinations also will be required, so in that aspect, if the in the presence of all the parties, if it is hard, the 2 applications that he has prepared.
Now, who is the authority, district commissioner, or will it be Assam State School Education Board?
Board is not, my lord. Since we have filed complaint to the
Yes, his grievance is that he has preferred the application to the district commissioner.
district
Your Honor.
commissioner.
That I know.
Yes, your lordship.
But whether district commissioner would be the authority competent to that?
Definitely, since the matter relates to the schools, the inspector of school will be present, your lordship.
No, unless the board gives the recognition, school cannot run. Question is why the board has given recognition?
My lord, my case is that, my lord, I have filed a complaint saying that the school concerned, school of respondent number 10 has no recognition and UDICE, etc., my lord, prior permission. My lord, that he is the government officer, my lord, district commissioner. Since he has the, I think he has the authority, my lord, to, he will hear both of us, my lord, if I and dispose of, this is my only case.
No, that needs a government authority, all that hearing, all that, okay. But what about the authority, competent, the actual authority in such a situation? It is the education board, state school education board.
Board or otherwise director may be given, my lord.
Please come to annexure 5. This is a list,
Yes, my lord.
provincialization, registration and affiliation.
Yes, my lord, this
Where-
is
Where's that school? Is it there?
my school, here my school is there, page
Which one?
36, page 36,
Serial number?
10,
South Salmara.
South Salmara. my lord.
And what about respond number 10?
This is our case, my lord, they have not the same. Here we have, our school has the UDICE code, my lord, and everything. UDICE code, my lord, and allotment of. My lord, that school has no UDICE code and recognition. This is our case, our. So in that, that is why, my lord, we have filed a complaint before the district commissioner, my lord, to conduct an inquiry, my lord. Page 38.
No, after inquiry, what will happen?
My lord, if the party respondent number, the school is not having the same, so lord, he cannot run
the school, my lord.
Now, who can pass that kind of an order? District Commissioner.
My lord,
District Commissioner will say, close down your school. Can you do that?
then the director may,
See, this is the thing. Simply saying representation pending, let him dispose, this is not do.
my one can, my lord, may I submit one thing?
That is why I said, secondary Assam State School Education Board may be a relevant
So, my lord,
respondent.
may I pray one thing, my lord? We will submit a fresh, we will submit, if required, we will submit a. Then, my lord, we will submit before the board, my lord, a representation. Within reasonable time, within hearing both sides, my lord, that may be discussed.
For that, you don't require a court direction also. You go and submit.
Since we have, my lord,
Why should we show you the way? Take left turn, take right turn, climb up, climb down, and you will find the office. Not required. You go.
no, my lord, other things, my lord, the government, she thinks this is the board, my lord, this grants is school code, my lord. The other things are recognition, this board does not grant recognition, my lord. Because these are things from the government, the permission, recognition, these are government. So that is why I submitted before the DC, my lord.
DC is not the government. He is the district head, that's all.
My lord, but the recognition and permission is to be granted by the government, my lord.
By the government, under what
Government.
provision?
Government of Assam, my lord.
Under what provision?
My lord, there is a act, I have annexed, my lord. That is
So,
page,
so whom have you made
my lord, page
a
13.
party here? You have made so many parties here. Secretary, Education, Director, Secondary,
Yes, my lord.
Director, Elementary also,
Because the school is
Division
from
Director, SSA also.
SSA also, because the school is from 1 to 12, my lord.
This school is all in one, All
From
in one.
class 1 to 12.
comprehensive school.
Yes, my lord. So both elementary, secondary is there. So government is also party, my lord. I have annexed the page 13.
Then you approach the government.
My lord, this,
See, this is not a PIL also. Somebody opens a school somewhere in a neighborhood, you come and complain. It should be closed.
no, my lord.
How does it affect you?
Because this is
What is your
nearby,
locus? What is your locus?
my lord, this is nearby my school, my lord.
Nearby your school.
So I am not
So
on that,
they are
but it
stealing your
should be,
students.
my
That is why.
submission is that, my lord, it should be with the requisite permission, recognition.
No.
That is not, it does not have, my lord.
You are not an NGO also. You are a school and
So, my lord,
know.
if,
see, I don't think you have a case like this.
my lord,
You withdraw this and file your representation before the government, not the district like that.
my lord, let it be next week, my lord, I will see if something is there. Let it be next week.
Next week, what will happen next week?
My lord, just 2 days back, I have received the file from other.
No. You see,
I have not gone through the act also.
we have seen many files like this. People coming and complaining, this school is functioning illegally, that school is functioning illegally. And you are complaining because that school is near your school. So interest,
No,
your
my lord,
interest is
no,
affected.
interest, but they can run, but my case is that without document, without requisite document, my lord.
Then no, you approach the
Appropriate
authority, file RTI application, ask from them information under what authority the school is running. After getting information, then you make the complaint saying, please cancel the license. This is not for the court to do all those things, you see.
But
Let him prefer an appropriate application to the appropriate authority.
in that, my lord, I will file, my lord, let it be on next week. I will go to the act. There is non-government act also. I have not gone through the act, my lord. If something is there.
Part third.
My lord, act. Otherwise, my lord, I will file proper application in the, it may be closed also. To the respondent number 1, my lord.
Okay. Heart, Mr.
M.R. Khandakar.
M.R.
Khandakar,
Khandakar,
my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner is aggrieved with the opening of the respondent number 10 school without any authority and permission as prescribed by the rules and regulations. Stop. He submits that the petitioner is the, what is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the president of SMC of Sonabari Jatiya Vidyalaya
President of the School Management Committee
Committee
of
of Sonabari Jatiya Vidyalaya.
Sonabari
Jatiya,
Jatiya Vidyalaya. Where do you get that?
my lord, from synopsis also, my lord, second line.
Okay, Sonabari Jatiya Vidyalaya. Where is the place?
Bhutia Danga.
Huh?
Bhutia Danga, my lord. Bhutia Danga in the district of South Salmara.
Bhutia Danga in the district of South Salmara. Full stop. He submits that although a complaint was submitted before the district commissioner, South Salmara Mankachar, on 2/6/2025, but since the same has not been considered by the said authority, the petition is before this court. So it is submitted at the bar that unless permission is granted by the state government, it will not be possible for the school to be recognized and since according to the petitioner, the respondent number 10 is running the school without
River Valley Academy.
any permission from the government. And therefore, appropriate action should be taken against the respondent number 10. Next para, having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner. This court is of the view that the petitioner should approach the state government with the grievance by submitting appropriate representation, if so advised, within a period of 15 days from today, stopping the event. The petitioner files such representation, the same be considered and disposed of in accordance with law.
Within next 1 month. my lord.
What before that, what did I say? I'm of the view that okay, should approach the secretary to the government of Assam School Education Department. Bracket respondent number 1. Remaining you cut now, okay? That's state government and all that not required. Secretary to government of Assam School Education Department. Bracket respondent number 1. Within a period of 15 days and so forth. And last part. By hearing all the parties who are to be attended as expeditiously as possible. No time frame. They will file, they will dispose it of, up to them.
I am the
Yes.
21.
Oh, we'll write your name also.
I'm for respondent number nine.
Mr. You write the name, Mr. B. Diori, learned government advocate, appears for respondent number
Nine.
9. Then
I am appearing for 1, 2, 7.
P. Das 1, 2, and 7. And S. Sutia for
3, 6.
3,
3 and 6.
3, and 6. Anyone left out?
Seba.
T. Sutia.
Sutil.
T. C. Sutia.
EC Sutia for Seba. Seba is what? Number 4.
The secretary Assam is still 5.
TC Sutia for respondent number 5. Have you got it? Yes.
May I please focus? Lordship matter regarding. Yes.
Yes.
Matter regarding recovery of excess to your lordship. On last occasion, instruction was sought for lordship.
I see. Any instruction?
Your lordship, communication was made, your lordship, in the month of your lordship, September, your lordship. Till date, your lordship, no new, your lordship instruction has given your lordship.
Take some more time then.
Yes, your.
So
Interim
otherwise,
order will
it is a
continue.
covered case lordship. Profit must is applicable lordship.
Traffic.
Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education department, submits that she may be given further 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions in terms of the last court's order dated 27/8/2025.
Lordship date may be given lordship. Otherwise, it
Video
is
of above, list again on so and so. Interim order passed earlier shall continue to the next date.
Deeply obliged. 22.
This matter 22, 23, 24, my lord, all 3 matters are relates to, my lord, that cancellation of HSLC examination center.
Well, in this matter, what happened? Board has no rule to establish any center. Now, session 2025-26, my lord, is depend upon the district committee. And inspector of school will verify all district and submit a report. And they will, there is a committee and they will form the center. Which school is required center, which is not required, they will decide it on field ground, my lord. The board has nothing to say. That is my instruction now. Our
Board, what is the board? Name of the board?
board is one of Assam State School Education Board.
Okay,
Asset, yes.
some state school education board.
We conduct the examination, class 10, SSLC examination.
So who is the authority concerned then?
The district commissioner and inspector of schools.
District commissioner and inspector of schools.
Yes, these are the instructions of Lordship 26.
Inspector of school is not a party.
But he is party, actually, inspector of school party. Party.
It's like. What are the?
Not a party. Where's
My lord, yes, my lord, the respondent number 3, the chairman and convener of the district level committee, the inspector of the school is the, my lord, the same person.
okay?
Constituted for reorganization of HSLC examination, the respondent number 3, my lord, in item number 22. Come inspector of schools, Nalbari district circle.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to page 22. 22, my learned friend already submitted, my lord, the instruction. The letter issued by the Assam State School Education Board to the all inspector of schools, my lord.
Now, my lord,
Here,
what I am proposing now, my lord, simple thing. Examination of SSLC examination, higher secondary examination has been declared. Matriculation SSLC examination will be start from 10th of February, declared, and other is higher secondary is 11th February. So it is not time to, ballot says anything, madam. We have sent all this, all required documents and all the setup is not made. Now, only matter of my, if lordship is ballot agreeable, then only issue notice ballot, let them inspector school district commissioner reply to this. Now, madam, there may not be any interim order, now center cannot be changed. We have already declared the examination, form fill up has been done.
I am on, my lord, I am coming to his my lord, submission. My lordship may kindly see, my lord, on the basis of this instruction, a provisional list was already prepared. Provisional lordship will find at page 24. Provisional, this list was issued by the inspector of school, chairman and
convener of the DLC. Signatory was signatory was Inspector of Schools, my lord. Lord,
Page?
page, it starts from page 24, my lord.
Right, 24.
Yes, page 24, this is the provisional notification, my lord. And here, my lord, my name, page 31, my lord. Our school's names at page serial number 177, my lord.
Yes.
Page 31, serial number 177, Borzar High School, Nalbari, shown as a center. And other 8 schools has been attached to it, our school as feeder school. And our school continuing with my lord examination center since 2015. So this list, my lord, lordship will come to page, next page 32, was issued under the signature of Inspector of Schools, come chairman and convener. So thereafter, my lord, they have prepared Annexure 3. Annexure 3 is the final list. This list was received by the headmaster of the schools in his mobile phone, my lord, in the group, without any signature, without any seal. Who issued this order notification, my lord? Kindly see, my lord, page 38 is the last. No signature, nothing. Page 40. Page 40. So, my lord, in provisional list, our school's name appeared. Who this, my lord, on what basis, why, my lord, our school's name has been cancelled? Nothing. No, no notice was issued.
Your school was a center.
Yes, my lord, school was center.
As per the provisional.
Yes, my lord.
But as
Provision
per the final list, it is not there.
not there. Without assigning any reason, my lord.
And so where will the students appear exam then?
Now, my lord, lordship will kindly see page 38. Page 38, the, my lord, the 26 serial number. This particular respondent number, my lord, we have made the school as per private respondent. Notun Dehor Mouza Milan HS School. This school was earlier attached with the petitioner school as feeder school. So our school here, my lord, lordship will find at 160 serial number Borzar High School. Now our school is attached as a feeder school with that particular school. So earlier, my lord, this school has a, my lord, examination center was cancelled earlier due to allegation of my lord, malpractice and unfair means. So in the year 2014, this school was allotted with center, and thereafter in the year 2015, it was cancelled. Now again, my lord, in provisional list, this school was attached with our school, and subsequently when the final list was prepared, and this school has been allotted with center and our school has been attached with this. So, my lord, without any signature, without any seal,
How he have collected, my lord, without any, my lord, signature? What is the authenticity
this
of
school,
it?
I
On
have
the
already
basis of-
submitted, my lord,
on the
this
basis
list
of
has
our-
been
our
forwarded.
authenticated, my lord, document, how he can submit it, my lord?
This has been forwarded, my lord, forward in the group of the headmasters. And
Let them,
And they are-
party, my lord, let them party.
and they are acting on it.
We don't know, my lord.
Let them say that they are
We
not
are-
acting
we
on
are-
it.
we-
Let them say,
we
let
cannot
them
say, but there is
take
no
instruction
signature.
whether they are acting on it or not.
List of schools with centers, it is not mentioned as a final or provisional. But who has prepared it, I don't know. Perhaps it was earlier
So,
done.
my lord, they are also not aware
No, no.
who has
We
prepared.
are not aware because it is, center is, my lord, established by the district authority now. And now, my lord,
Yes, let them
if
take the
petitioner
instruction.
has no vested right to choice a center. It's depend upon the authority.
I
of the
am not,
authority.
yes, I am
So
not
no
denying
school
it.
Can say they give me a center. Another school cannot say you cannot cancel my center. It is after the satisfaction of the authority.
Yes, yes, my lord. That is true, my lord. I am not denying it. But unless, my lord, if, my lord, our school is, my lord, fulfilling all the criteria, there must be some rational reason, my lord.
So this provisional list was, notification was issued by the inspector of schools.
Yes, my lord.
And the principal of Nalbari College,
Yes.
who
Yes.
chairman?
He is the, my lord, co-convener.
Co-chairman.
Yes, co-chairman.
One is the chairman and convener.
Yes. Inspector is the convener and the
So
chairman.
Mr. Sutia says that the board doesn't have any role.
Yes, my
We have nothing to say, my lord.
So let the inspector and the come and.
Yes, Lordship may kindly issue a short notice, my lord. Let the matter, let them bring it on record. Lordship will fix it
Okay.
after 1 week.
Heard Mr.
NK Kolita, my lord.
N.K. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that the petitioners are aggrieved with the change of examination center for the HSLC
Yes, my lord.
for the year 2026 in respect of Nalbari district.
No, worries.
He submits that as per the provisional list notified by the chairman and co-chairman of the district level committee, the petitioner school, the school where the petitioners are students.
My lord,
Petitioners are-
petitioner number 1 is the, my lord, petitioner number 1 is the president of the my lord, school managing committee, and
And
petitioner
others?
number 2 is a guardian.
Huh?
Petitioner number 2 and 3 are the guardians of the
Guardians.
student. Yes.
Okay. Submits that the petitioners are the representatives of the managing committee and guardian of the Barjar High School in Nalbari. Please read the sentence, what I say. For the last one, second last sentence.
School of principal নোৱাৰে. They have no guidance. সেইটো authority আছে কোনখন school suitable আৰু infrastructure আছে নে?
Please read it.
কথাটো infrastructure.
Yes.
কথা. This is important.
Then of the school from the cancel. Barjar High School, Nalbari, was at serial number 177 was an examination center notified. But when the final list came to be prepared, the respondent number 10, is it?
My lord,
No, respondent number 5. Respondent number 5 school
Private school.
yes, my lord.
has been made the examination center. And all the students from Barjar High School, Nalbari, are required to appear from that center. You were saying one thing, na, that Natun Dehar was, what school was this earlier? Mr. Kalita,
My lord.
Natun Dehar school was earlier what?
Earlier, Lordship will find that provisional serial number 178, my lord. Earlier attached with the petitioner school
Okay,
as feeder school.
the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondent number 5 school earlier was attached to Barjar High School. So as
Feeder school.
feeder school. To stop aggrieved with the
Who there?
change of the examination center, the petitioners approached the district commission in Nalbari by submitting a representation on 8/9/2025. But since the same has not been considered, the petitioners are before the school.
My lord, for the time being, my lord. My lord, as my lord, we have already submitted a representation before the district commissioner and the DLC, my lord, and chairman, my lord. So, my lord, because my learned friend already said that time is also very short, my lord. So, my lord,
Let
may,
them consider and dispose of it.
yes, my lord, in terms of this
Dispose
guideline,
of the matter, my lord, with a direction to consider his representation. Dispose of the.
in terms of the guidelines, my lord. Annex up to.
Next para. When the matter was listed on 17/11/2025,
Provisional is better, no?
notice has not been issued, isn't it?
Not issued one.
Mr. T.C. Shutia, Learned Standing Council, Assam State School Education Board
Board.
was asked to obtain instructions in the matter. Most of today, he submits that the
Second paragraph. Second paragraph. also.
second paragraph means
This first page and second page, madam. Second page, sorry. District level machineries like ADC, Education, District Academic Council and others should be consulted to complete the process of selection centers. Also, please note that the selecting the examination center, the road communication, education, environmental proposed center, etc. are to be considered. The capacity of the proposed center preferably should be within so and so. It may be noted that for smooth and fair conduct of examination, the internet facility of the center premises is must. This is an instruction, Ballot. You have nothing to.
what did I say? Today he submits that much, no? Today he submits that as per the instructions received by him, the board only issues the guidelines and parameters for selection of the examination centers. And it is therefore the district level machineries, public authorities to undertake the process of selection of the centers and not the Assam State School Education Board. Next para, upon hearing the learned counsels for the parties and having regard to the pendency of the presentation submitted by the petitioners before the District Commissioner Nalbari on 8/9/2025. The writ petition is disposed of at the motion stage itself by directing the District Commissioner Nalbari to consider and dispose of the representation so submitted in accordance with law and as per the rules and procedures in force
Annex up to.
as expeditiously as
Oh,
possible
and it's a two is a list. Guidelines.
and
In terms of the
preferably within a
guidelines.
period
In
of
terms of the guidelines of the.
within a period of how long?
My
Within
lord, 15 days, my lord.
15 days.
Yes, because my lord, the time is very short, my lord, because
15
February.
days from the
yes.
date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop along with the
Deputy Commissioner. District.
certified copy of this order, the petitioner shall submit a copy of the representation, copy of the writ petition itself to the District Commissioner Nalbari for doing the needful.
My lord,
All are same, my lord, up to 24.
Sorry?
Up to
Okay. One more line. Mr. Chishti, you are also here.
Yes. One, three.
Okay.
Government advocate.
Mr. SMT Chishti, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, as well as Mr. B. Diori, Learned Government Advocate, appearing for the state respondents are also
my lord,
heard.
while disposing the representation, opportunity of hearing may kindly be, my lord, to the petitioner, my lord.
All right. It is also provided herein that while considering and disposing of the representation, as directed herein above, the district commissioner shall give the petitioners an opportunity of hearing.
All
All
right.
right. Then I think the others also are similar.
Item number 24 in respect of Nalbari district, my lord.
Or dispose of, my lord.
22 is in respect of
24, the name
Nalbari.
of the school will be changed, my lord. The name of the school will not be same.
23, what is the school?
Slight difference of fact, minutes. In 23 minutes, we were feeder school attached with Bagmaya Chai High School. Now what they have done, they have attached us with BS Kadamtala. Now, minutes, all our students, it's 15 kilometers away from our school. And so, minutes, all the students, they are facing difficulty. We have to cross the river and we have to go. And so they are not willing to even fill the forms. And it's right to education is, minutes, it's a very substantial right and includes its rights to give an environment in which it
You
could
have
be
a,
exercised.
you have a representation pending?
Yes, your lordship. It
Page
is at,
number?
at page 22.
22 is 22 बोलो इसे लेके पेज को वो बता रेस्पेक्ट है उसको बहुत बता हाँ हाँ वो बता इसे वो बता साथी वाला है
Who is the petitioner here?
Minutes, I am the headmaster of this school, minutes.
Headmaster of which school? Which is the school?
Dharampur High School.
PS Dharampur.
Dharampur High School.
PS Dharampur. And this has been changed to examination center to?
It has been changed from Bagmaya Chor High Secondary School.
No, BS Dharampur High School.
Yeah. So
Was-
all our students used to go to Bagmaya Chai High School for
Okay,
examination center. Now
okay.
they have changed it to our BS Kadamtala Higher School, secondary school. And now whether there's a since it's a the distance is long and there's a river in between. So there's
Petitioner is the what, headmaster?
yes, your answer.
Write a separate order. Hart, Mr.
DK Agarwala.
D.K. Agarwala, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Sutia, T.C. Sutia, learned standing counsel.
Yes.
Assam,
I am for under respondent number 2, my lord.
State School Education Board, appearing for respondent numbers 2 and 3.
Only 2, my lord.
No, 3 also.
Oh, 3 yes.
Member secretary
Yes.
and who else? Mr. Chisti,
60 is for 1 and my lord
Mr.
Four.
SMT Chisti for respondent number 1 and 4.
and 4.
1 and 4.
Respective.
Yeah, so district commissioner should have been a party lawsuit. He is the main party. That is, the pixel has been filed, page 23 of the annex of 4. The details of the file of the district commissioner.
But he is not with you.
But he is not made a party.
No, inspector also is there.
Inspector, ultimately, the deputy commissioner, he will take a call of it. The inspector only act on behalf of the deputy commissioner. The deputy commissioner, he will decide.
Okay, stop. Having regard to the
Well, I-
nature of,
Instead of my lord directing the DC, my lord, as is not party, lordship may dispose of it matter, my lord, petitioner at liberty to approach the DC. Fresh application.
all right.
Because
Having
he is
regard
not
to the
the
nature of the grievance projected by the petitioner, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Next para. The petitioner is the headmaster of PS Dharmapur High School. And the grievance expressed is that the examination center for the upcoming HSLC exams have been shifted from Bhagmara Char Higher Secondary School to BS Kadamtala Higher Secondary School. To stop, according to the petitioner, in order for the students to appear for the HSLC examination in the new center, they are required to cross
A river,
a river. What is the river? Names.
that the river name is, it's big.
Cross a river which has caused great difficulty, which is bound to cause great difficulty to the students. To stop. Agreed with the same, the petitioner had submitted a representation before the Inspector of Schools, BDC Barpeta, as well as the District Commissioner Barpeta on 25/9/2025. Stop. However, as the same has not been considered, the petitioners before this court. Next paragraph, it is seen that although the Inspector of Schools Barpeta is made a party, the District Commissioner Barpeta is not made a party. And considering the grievance expressed, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the petitioner to submit a concise representation before the District Commissioner Barpeta afresh within a period of 1 week from today.
Yes.
Whereafter the District Commissioner, after giving due opportunity of hearing to the petitioner, shall consider and dispose of the representation in accordance with law as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of
Just-
15 days.
Just one word, like, also by keeping the welfare of the children in mind.
They will look after the water geographical.
That
area.
you're going to say in person. You will appear in person and demonstrate how difficult it is.
If something
This
falls
river,
from your
that
lordship,
nala, all these have to cross.
if something falls from your lordship, it has a much more larger impact. So that's.
So what did I say? Last part? In accordance with law. Out there, you just add one more, in accordance with law. Keeping in mind the difficulties likely to be faced by the students to appear in the new center. Okay,
Much
disposed. Yes, 24.
Name of the district is Nalbari, my lord. The name of the school will be changed. The Dakshin Pakwa Bajani Milon High School.
Who is the petitioner here?
Petitioner is the, my lord, SMDC president. And another is
SMC president
of the school, my lord.
what is the school?
School name Dakshin Pakwa Bajani Milon High School.
Okay,
Tehar Kalakuchi, Nalbari. Synopsis I have given.
and center, what is the center?
It was the, my lord, original center, earlier center. Now they have shifted, my lord, to
What was the original center?
this school was the, my lord, center, HSLC center last year.
Okay, Dakshin
And now it is shifted to, my lord, at page number 23, Baguri Hati HS school. It is the HSLC, they are running the HSLC examination since 1994.
It shifted to
Yes, shifted to, my lord, attached to it, my lord, Baguri Hati HS school.
respondent
Yeah.
number.
29 serial.
29 serial number in the right hand side, your lordship file, serial number Baguri Hati at 181.
No, from where you're saying that? That school, that new school is not a party.
No, that school is not a party.
That- Shouldn't you have made them a party also? They
my lord,
They must be preparing to,
Inspector of schools will, my lord, look into the matter.
definitely inspector will look into the matter, but that school also pursuant to the impugn orders,
They may
They
must
may be,
be-
they may be given opportunity of being heard.
they must be preparing that so many students are coming, will prepare. So you should have made them a party.
They may be given an opportunity of heard at the time of my lord disposing of it.
Okay, tell me the name of the school. Where is it? Where do you find it?
Your lordship will find at page number 20, page number 23,
23.
23.
Where?
Serial number 29, your lordship will find
Yes.
Baguri Hati HS school. And
This is the school.
this is the school, and our school is, my lord, at the right hand side, your lordship will find 179, serial number 179, DPB Milon High School, Dehar, Kalakuchi.
Okay, please write. Heart, Mr. D. Prakashna, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. P.C. Chutia, learned standing counsel, Assam State School Education Board, appearing for respondent number
No, five.
5. And Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, learned standing counsel, secondary education for respondent numbers 1, 2, and 4. And Mr. B. Diori for government advocate for respondent number 3. Stop having regard to the nature of the grievance projected by the petitioners. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. So stop, the petitioners are the chairman and members.
Petition
of the-
number 1 is the, my lord, is SMDC president.
Okay, are the president and members of the school managing committee. Of Dakshin Pakowa
Bajani.
Bajani Milan High School, comma, Dehar Kalakuchi in the district of Nalbari. And they are aggrieved with the change of the examination center from the said school to Bagurihati Higher Secondary School.
Bagurihati HS school,
HS means what?
higher secondary.
That's what I say, higher secondary school. Why are you aggrieved? What is the difficulty?
But our center has been withdrawn. That is the difficulty, my lord.
That is not a difficulty.
Withdrawn by, my lord, impure communication
It
annexer.
can be withdrawn.
Simply withdrawn. Our initially it was withdrawn, my lord, for not having the boundary wall. We have constructed the boundary wall. Your lordship will find at page number 28 onwards, the photographs have been annexed.
Stop, according to the petitioners,
Lack of infrastructure.
the students of Dakshin Pakowa Bhajani Milan High School will have to now travel extra 10 to 14 kilometers to undertake the higher secondary, to undertake the HSLC examination. To stop, according to the petitioners, change of the examination center is not in the interest of the students concerned. And therefore,
And they have fulfilled the shortfalls, my lord.
where is your representation?
Representation, my lord, your lordship will find at page 32.
32. Who's the chairman? This is addressed to the school
Well,
education
sir.
board.
It is addressed to my Sheba and copy to Inspector of Schools at my lord, page 33.
So now you will file the
Well,
press representation.
We have nothing to do, my lord, to direct.
Then they will file a fresh, my lord, before
They will
this.
file a fresh to the district commission.
And therefore, the petitioners submitted a representation before the chairman of Assam State
School Education Board.
School Education Board. When? No date also.
It was given on, my lord, by speed post, it was given. It was given on 21/10/2025.
From where are you seeing that date?
Page number 34, speed post receipts, my lord. It was sent by speed post 21/10/25.
What did I say last night? And therefore. By speed post. On 21/10/2025. Now, however, as the representation has not been considered, The petitioners are before this court. Next paragraph, Mr. P.C. Shruti, Learned Standing Council, Assam State Education Board submits that the board issues guidelines and the parameters for selecting the examination center. And that the ultimate selection is done by the district administration. And therefore, the board has no role to play. Stop considering the next paragraph above submission. And instead of keeping the writ petition pending before this court, the same is disposed of by directing the petitioners to submit a concise representation before the
District
District Commissioner Nalbari
as well as IS Nalbari, man.
with a copy to the Inspector of Schools Nalbari within a period of 1 week from today, along with a copy of this writ petition. Stop in the event of such on receipt of the said representation by the authorities concerned, the same should be considered in accordance with law
And guideline.
and as per the guidelines, and after giving due opportunity of hearing to the applicants as expeditious as possible and preferably within a period of 15 days from the date of receipt of the representation. Okay.
Deeply applies.
Complex.
Yes,
May I please, your lordship?
yes.
If the petitioner was serving as incharge principal and drawing and disbursing officer of the BC Medhi College, Ramdia, since 2002, your lordship. But in the year 2023, lordship, kindly page 18. Kindly see lordship, page 18. A show cause notice was served upon the petitioner with some allegations, your lordship.
Page?
Page 18.
Hmm.
Lordship got it.
Yes.
May I read, your lordship? In exercise, the power conferred by the government notification number such and such, the undersigned hereby asked you to show cause under Rule 9 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1954. Why any of the penalties prescribed in clauses 1, 2, 3 of Rule 7 of the aforesaid rules should not be inflicted on you on the following charges. Two charges were shown, your lordship. The last DTO power was entrusted to you by the Director of Higher Education, Assam, by order dated such and such, for a period of 3 months. But it is observed that without entrusting DTO power to you by the Director of Higher Education, Assam, you have drawn and disbursed the salaries of the staff of the college since October 2014 up to November 2022, which is gross illegal. And another is, lordship, this directorate has not appointed you as principal in charge of BC Medhi College, but it is observed that you are acting as principal in charge of the college since 25/2/2002 and involved in all
Okay,
financial.
Mr. Counsel, just a minute.
Lordship.
Let us keep it short. See, first of all, one show cause notice on 6/3. And
Yes, your
you did not reply, another show cause
Another
reminder on
show cause.
26/2023.
Thereafter, I have.
Then just listen,
Lordship.
then you replied on 28/6
Yes.
saying that I have not received a copy of that.
earlier,
Earlier show cause notice.
Lordship.
So you wanted some more time.
Yes.
Then what happened after that?
Thereafter, on 7 July 2023, I have submitted my reply, Lordship.
Then,
Then after that, Your Lordship, an enquiry committee was constituted, Your Lordship.
okay,
But-
Annexure 5.
Next, Annexure 5.
Then,
And then, Lordship, enquiry officers were appointed.
okay,
Enquiry officers were appointed in respect of verification of PhD degree of the petitioners, Your Lordship. And instruction was to submit the report within 14 days.
has it been submitted?
No, Lordship. That
No.
is right.
So,
As because no report was submitted, no anomalies found, Your Lordship. Next, Lordship, kindly see Annexure 7, page 24. Another officer were appointed superseding earlier two orders, Your Lordship. Page 24.
okay, then,
Then, Your Lordship, hearing was conducted, page 26, Your Lordship.
26.
After conducting of hearing, Lordship, page 27, Your Lordship, page 27, an internal enquiry for direction for internal enquiry, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, I have
So what are you challenging now?
yes, Your Lordship, I am saying the last annexure, Your Lordship, page 34. After inquiry, Your Lordship, the respondent found that I have made anomalies and so that the last part, Your Lordship, whereas Dr. Oshit Kumar Pal has been relieved from the charge of IC principal and now regular principal of BC Medical College in respect of Dr. Vishwajit Das is appointed and accordingly. And my Lordship, withhold one increment, Your Lordship, which without cumulative effect.
Where is that?
That second last paragraph, Your Lordship, observing the last page, Your Lordship, second last paragraph, observing the above facts, the undersigned being the disciplinary authority satisfied with the report hereby imposes a penalty of withholding one increment without cumulative effect. That part, Your Lordship. And I have been released from the charges, in charge principal, Your Lordship.
So what is the finding of the report inquiry? That you willfully dishonored government procedure and rules.
That report was not served, Your Lordship. First, Lordship, speaking order, first line, the report that is there. Peruse the preliminary inquiry report submitted by the inquiry committee on 9/5/2024.
Preliminary inquiry, this is preliminary inquiry. After preliminary inquiry, any other inquiry was done?
After preliminary inquiry, Your Lordship, after preliminary inquiry, Your Lordship,
So we'll issue notice
Lordship.
what can be done at this stage. Heard, Mr.
A.R. Shom, Lord.
A.R. Shom, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the speaking order dated 4/4/2025. Bracket annexure 15, by which a penalty of withholding one increment without cumulative effect has been imposed upon him. To stop, according to the petitioner, the penalty has been imposed without following due process of law. And therefore, the same should be set aside. You are still serving? You are still in service?
Yes, I have been released from in charge principal, Lordship.
Okay. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr.
I'll be paying for
S. Das,
one and two.
SC secondary, is it?
Higher education,
Higher education for respond numbers
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Then petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3 by registered post with ADD within 3 days. Extra copies be served to Mr. S. Das within 3 days. list again after 4 weeks.
Oblige, your lordship.
Remaining admission, we will give a date, okay? Remaining matters, you have a date, some other day?